Well, in a lot of situations, a customer will contact us, and this is very common. They'll say, I've got someone sitting here at this desk, or I've got someone sitting here in our lobby, and there's things coming out of the ducts. Is there any way that we can fix that? I mean, the answer is yes, we can fix that. I don't see ourselves as duct cleaners, I see ourselves as problem solvers. The most important thing to me is opening up the system and really looking in there and seeing what contaminants are in there and how are the contaminants getting in there. So one of the most gratifying parts of my job, when you check in with a customer and they say, oh my gosh, I've never breathed so good in my life. The second you left, it changed. It made a difference for me, made a difference for my coworkers, it made a difference for my family. That's everything. But I'd say more than even indoor air quality improvement, it greatly increases the efficiency of a system. In fact, we can actually quantify that exactly how many kilowatt hours you're shaving off, and so that in turn just puts money back in your pocketbook. What makes us better than our competitors? We've been doing this for such a long time. We're actually one of the first companies to start doing professional duct cleaning in the city of Los Angeles. So you're not just getting the most up-to-date technology, the most up-to-date methods, you're also getting all the wisdom that comes with being in business for such a long period of time. Not only do we have all the experience behind us, but we also have continued education and continued training. We're certified in all the areas of work that we work in. We're NADCA certified, we're IKECA certified, ISN certified, OSHA certified. Pretty much no matter what type of work is put in front of us, not only can we perform it properly, but we can perform it safely. I think another thing that separates Action Duct is not only are we an ethical, honest company, but in fact our founder actually sat on the ethics committee of the National Air Duct Cleaners Association, NADCA. And I can't tell you how many times a month I go into a home or business and I say, you know what, clean bill of health, you guys are good to go, you don't need any ducts cleaned, a little fix here, a little fix there, change your filters out, you guys are good to go. I literally can talk about duct cleaning all day, it never gets old.